Hello, hello, hello mga ka-vlog yan. So gawa ulit tayo ng bagong vlog ngayon. So magandang araw po sa ating lahat, magandang gabi at mapagpalang araw po. Yan. So today ay November 4th, 2025. So meron lang kaming mag-asawa actually na gustong i-flex sa pinakamalaking blessing na natanggap namin sa aming buhay may asawa. So ito siya, panoorin nyo. Yes, since our biggest blessings is of course our kids. It's their 20th birthday today, so yan. So happy birthday, kiddos!
Thank you. Thank you.
Of course, with Mama. Where's Mama? There you go, Mama is there. Yeah. And of course, Nanay is there.
Come Nanay here.
Nay, punta kayo doon, Nay.
Speaking of which,
So they're going to blow the candle first. At saka wala kaming oras magluto. So yan, bumili na lang kami ng kaunting mapapagsalu-saluhan.
don't worry now, Pastor.
Hey, happy birthday.
Day 2, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One, two, three, four.
Happy birthday, kiddos! So yan ang aming biggest blessing sa aming buhay mag-anak, mag-asawa. Yan. So ito yung bumili lang kami ng kaunting Chinese food para mapagsalu-saluhan.
Nay, upo na ikaw.
So yan, walang oras kami ng
Nanay, upo.
walang oras kami ng pagluluto. So yan, kumakanta pa si Mrs. Gutom na. So yan, may konti kaming nabiling Chinese food. Okay, later. Yan, kumakain na kami ng aming kaunting handa-handaan. Yan si Nanay, si Pepot. Meron kaming kaunting wonton soup. At saka, and fried rice. Tas of course, pansit.
Hindi mawawala ang pansit.
Hindi mawawala ang pansit.
Kaya anong
Ito
sasabihin
yung
mo sa
plato.
kambal, Nay? Nay? Anong sasabihin? Batiin mo, Nay. Batiin mo sila.
Batiin nyo sinakambal.
Birthday.
Ayun,
Ano
happy.
pangalan?
Good job. There's the birthday boy. Aldwin, they are 20 years old na. Yeah.
I sound old now. Oh yeah, definitely.
And Alistair.
Hello.
What's your better wish?
Good grades.
And?
Good job. Healthy life.
And?
Good job. Good job.
Good job?
Odd job.
Odd job.
Odd job.
Yeah. And accidentally, they're wearing the same color of sweatshirt.
Yeah.
Okay, see you later. Okay, so yan ang ating birthday boys. So, kakainin natin ng birthday cake nila. Yan. So, guys, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Be good boys always, even you grown up, even your father and have kids.
Father.
Okay, be good boy always, and don't forget
Like and subscribe.
to help. Okay? Alistair?
Oh yes.
Alvin?
Yep.
And Mama, what is your wish?
I wish that,
Face the camera.
I wish that they are good boys.
Even the grown up.
They are nice and good looking.
Thank you.
And, yeah,
No, you have to say thank you, Pastor.
Don't change.
don't change, yeah. Stay grounded. That's the
Oh,
thing.
yeah, be humble.
Stay humble, yeah. Okay, happy birthday and good health to everybody.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, eating time, the cake.
Especially nanay.
Especially Nanay too there. Yeah. Okay.
Anong sasabihin mo na sa mga kambal? Anong mo? Mag-aral ng mabuti.
Yo, nag-aaral na mabuti. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.